I'm Ron Hardy. I am a professor at the University of Idaho, and I am director of the Aquaculture Research Institute, and my specialty is fish nutrition. I've been working in fish nutrition for almost 40 years. What I talked about here was the use of soybean products, mainly U.S. soybean products, as replacements for fish oil and fish meal in aquaculture diets. We've been working on this for over 15 or 20 years. There are properties of soybean meal that have been found to be detrimental to fish, but over time, one by one, we found ways to overcome these problems and utilize higher levels in the diet, such that we're now able in rainbow trout to feed a diet that contains no fish meal, no animal protein, only soybean meal supplemented with corn, wheat, and some amino acids. So we've got now a vegetarian rainbow trout, and we're extending those results to Atlantic salmon and starting to work with marine species to work towards higher replacement levels for those species too. What I realized in an aha moment about 15 years ago was, working on soybean products and feeds, was that we also had to improve the fish. We had to improve the fish by selective breeding. What we would notice was in any trial we would do, some fish would do well, some fish would do less well, and it slowly dawned on us that if we started doing selective breeding and selecting the fish that did well as the broodstock for the next generation, we would see improvement. And over generations, every generation we're seeing 12 to 15% improvement in growth performance, feed efficiency, and over 8 generations now we have a fish that grows twice as fast as when we started and does so on a totally fish meal free diet. We've also now looked at the fish to see what's different in their physiology, their digestion, their cellular metabolism, and so we're identifying markers of those changes that we can utilize in other species to accelerate selective breeding using markers rather than simply growth and feed conversion.